In this video, we will use the previously created hexagonal sheet metal and learn the use of sketched bend tool. Sketch bend tool is used to bend any of the surfaces as needed. For example, let's say we want to bend this surface outwards. For that, let's create a sketch on this surface. Let's say we want to bend it from this point onward. Okay, then go into the sheet metal, select the sketched bend, and for the bend parameter it is asking you which surface you want to bend. So I'm going to select this one, and as you can see it is now bending that surface. Like before, we have this bend position option. As I mentioned, it will depend on the center line, and you can select how much or how long, which part you want to rip and how much you want to bend. Let's say a 45-degree will look something like this, or 120 will look something like this. Okay, once you're done, click OK, and you have created a bend based on a sketch point. Okay, we can create multiple of them as needed. So let's say we have something along this point here, and we're going to go still onto the sketch band, select the surface, and you have created multiple bends out of this hexagon.